many reasons why people they start doing any work with enthusiasm and with full of energy but end up stopping that work. What could be the reason? Do you have any idea? If not, then let me tell you so that you will also not repeat the same mistake and face the failure. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. My friend, I have noticed many people they get failure and the reason is not they are not smart enough, they are not intelligent enough. The reason behind it, they start doing any task with difficult one. Let's take one example of learning anything. I mean, if I talk about this language, that would be easy to understand, right? Let's suppose someone is going to learn this language and they are like me from any village, or they had never ever any kind of environment where they could get the chance to listen English or they could get the chance to speak English language. But now they are going to learn English language, and what they are doing, they are listening native speaker who they speak very fast way, you know. So they listen and then they get afraid. Few days they listen it with enthusiasm, with full of energy, and they feel, oh, I can do it, because they may have heard from somewhere that learning English is important, it can change our life, or we can get good job, it can settle our career, so many things. So they hear from somewhere and then they start learning this language. And what mistake they do, they start from the difficult thing, you know. They start from the difficult one, just like listening native speaker when they cannot understand even little bit also. And when their mind find it's very difficult, then it stop helping them. Okay, so what I'm trying to say you here, my friend, if you want to learn this language, start small. Yes, you heard me right. Start small, start easy. You know what I used to do? I did not used to listen native speaker because it was beyond of my understanding. I wasn't able to understand their English, you know. So I started listening and I started watching cartoon that was easy to grasp, that was easy to understand. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you find difficulties in understanding or in speaking, so start small. If you give hard task to your brain or to yourself, few days you may enjoy the task, but for sure you are going to stop it if it is very difficult. Because I have found many people, they start and then they stop after some days or after some months. But if you want to become fluent English speaker, or if you want to achieve anything, let's suppose you are preparing for government exam, you know, starting of your days you are going to study 10 hours, 8 hours. This is how you are not going to continue, you know, because I found it's difficult for the students. So if you want to get any government job or anything, start small. Just start with few minutes and then few hours, and then keep adding the time and keep increasing your timing. Okay, so this is how you can be consistent, or else you will do it for few days or for few months and then you will stop. Then how can you get your dream job? How can you get fluency in this language? My friend, I have found out that if you want to achieve something, consistency matters a lot. So you need to be consistent. And how can you be consistent if you stop it? So do it regularly. Don't make it burdensome. I have seen people, they start doing a lot of hard work initially, you know. I saw that some people, they were practicing a lot, but after few months when I met them and I asked, how's going your English practice, they told that I was unable to manage my time, I was unable to practice few hours. My friend, if you are unable to practice few hours, then practice few minutes, right? So in your case, if you may have been doing this kind of mistakes, then don't do. Start small and start with the small, and if your mind is capable to do big thing or hard thing, then do it, right? I told you that keep adding timing, or I mean keep increasing your timing. Let's suppose Nowadays you are practicing for few minutes, then start practicing for few hours, but not initially. As a beginner, don't do it, or else your mind will feel tired and it will stop helping you, or finally you will stop learning this language. And I want you to continue, I want you to be consistent, I want you to become fluent English speaker. And how it can be possible? If you continue, if you are consistent. Okay, so pick up the thing which is easy for you. If you understand cartoon, if you understand story, if you understand any Indian speaker or non-native speaker, just listen them. And finally, what is your goal? To understand native speaker, right? That is our goal. To understand them clearly, to talk to them, right? That is our goal, right? But if we are unable to do initially, no problem. I told you, start small. There is nothing wrong in doing a small thing. But here we make mistakes and we start doing difficult one and we end up stopping our work. We end up not doing anything. My friend, that is not good. And that is the reason many people, they fail. Okay, I don't want you to fail in this language. I want you to learn this language. I want you to speak this language. I told you about my journey, right? I started with the small sentences. I started watching vocabulary initially, and then I started learning grammar. I started watching cartoon. Then I started framing the sentences, speaking little bit. That's how I started my journey. I didn't start with talking to native speaker and understanding native speaker. It was not possible for me. If I had thought like that, I may have stopped it. But no, I started with small. I started doing easy thing, and now I can talk to native speaker also. I can understand them. Now it has become easy for me. But initially it was not easy for me. So my friend, if you want to achieve success, if you want to become a fluent English speaker, start small and be consistent. Be disciplined, and consistency is key to success, right? So this is the thing. In my case, in my entire journey, I can proudly say to you people that I'm consistent. I speak every single day, I read every single day ever since I started my English speaking journey. In your case also, my friend, it's my humble request, if you want to become a fluent English speaker, if you want to achieve success, then be consistent and start small. Just do easy thing initially. Don't make it hard. I would like to add one example. One of my cousin, she wanted to learn English language. So I told her, start learning grammar, start watching some vocabulary related video, the way I had started. I told her the same thing. But what was her reply? She told me that I cannot understand when someone talks in English. No problem. If you don't understand, there is no problem at all, my friend. Just try to understand. Just watch some video so that you can understand little bit, right? Many of us, we were unable to understand initially, but now we are able, right? And we will be able to understand native speaker. We will be able to talk to them. We will be able to record and speak in front of anyone. Speak in front of the world, right? So that's our goal. But initially, it's not possible at all. But if we want to make it possible without getting failure, then we need to be consistent. We need to start small. You may have learned something from my video, right? That how I started learning English language. It was impossible for me to understand native speaker. But I started watching cartoon. I started watching vocabulary related video. I started watching grammar video. And my understanding started building. And now I can understand, I can speak. So in your case also, if you want to understand and speak this language, then do this kind of thing. I mean, start small and do small task. Once you add your everyday practice, then it will be a lot. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.